Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an earring tutorial using the Potomac beads for the bead box for January of 2023. This is the Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. It's formerly the regular box, but they have redone everything. This bead box, the techniques used for this are stringing, weaving, and freeform. This box is bigger than ever. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, same products in multiple colorways. 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. You can check out their website or their YouTube channel. The premium stash beads, crystal, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. It's beginner friendly, and past boxes will be available a la carte after several months. Also, what's really fun is there's 5 golden tickets in each month's boxes. So if you get that golden ticket, you get a surprise. So I think that's really cool. Priced monthly, it's $39.99. If you price it quarterly and you pay for it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you pay for it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 for the year. So it's a really great bead box. Lots of little bit of everything in it, and I really love it. So let's get started. So these are the earrings that I made. I love the way they turned out. So here's this right here, and I used everything except for I used 4 of my black seed beads from my stash. Of course, my ear wires and crimp beads and that I used, but everything else is from Potomac Beads. So if you would like to learn how to make this video, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is the first one that I made. I always like to make the first one off camera, so I get to kind of mess around with it and see. And now I'm going to show you how I made this. So I'll lay that right there. So I'm starting with one of the leaves, and I have a very thin copper jump ring that I put through it. And this is the wire from the January box. I'm just showing you this. And it's just a little more than 7 inches. So we start by just putting the leaf on. Then I want to do a crystal bicone. It's funny, I'm very left-handed, so I usually just flip it around. I'm not really good with my right hand. It's funny. Okay. Let me get some more of these off. Okay. So then we're going to do one of those. And I just kind of keep switching over. Okay. So now we have here. So now we're going to do the black ones. Oh, that came right back. Bounced off my camera and came back. And I do have a couple of my black seed beads on this. So I'll put those aside. Okay. So there's that. So now I can say I'm right there. My crimp bead is wanting to take a walk. Now I'm going to put a pearl on each end. Okay. One. I have to do it this way. So you have this one, and I have this way. Oh, 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 oh. Caught it. Getting very good with that. Like I said in my last video, I need to order a new bead mat because this one, everything's slipping. Okay, so right here, so now I'm going to do 2 blacks on each side. 2 blacks. Get a 2 blacks, a crystal bicone, and one of the bigger fire polish. So go to this side, so we'll do 2 blacks, a crystal bicone, and a big fire polish. Okay, so there we are right there. Now we're going to go with a pearl for each side. 1 and 2. It goes in, there it goes. Okay, so I just kind of hold it up, see where I'm at. So we're doing black, bicone, then 2 blacks, and then we go here, we do black, bicone, and let me get some more of the blacks off. Okay, I'm going to be using all of these up. Okay, black, bicone, 2 blacks. 1, 2. Okay, so we kind of hold it like that. Now we're going to these. Okay, so point it going downward. 1 there, 1 there. And make sure these are equal at the top. So you hold that down like that. See? Then you do 2 blacks on each side. Go 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Where's the other one? Okay. So, see where we're at right there. Now we're going to go with the other one, going on the top. Make sure these are open the right way. 1, 2. Okay. Have that. I'm going to move that. So we see where we're at right now. So now we're going to do one of the bigger blacks on each side. And then I'm going to do 2 of the black seed beads because they're I needed something smaller to hide the wire. 1, 2. Okay. So we see how it's looking like that. Then we go to the big fire polish bead. And go through both of them. You can pull that down. Now I'm going to take, using my round nose pliers because I kind of work it in. So I put it next to it just to make sure I have all the beads, because sometimes, you know, when you do one, then you do another, and then you're like, okay, wait a minute, I forgot this. Okay, now I have a silver crimp bead. And I put that down. So see how I have this? I take this, I put it a little less than halfway, and I go into the crimp bead. And then I take my nail and hold it, and I just start feeding it down into there. This might take a while to be able to do. Sometimes I push the bead up a little bit just to kind of get it going. Now you see how it's in there like that? So I take it from the side and I go into the deepest one and I smash that like that. I push that on that, make sure it can't open. Then before I close that, I take a really tiny, tiny little jump ring. I open that up and I put this through there. And then I want it to be where they're like that. And then I put this on there. I put it, you could put the ear wire right through that hole, but then the earring will be laying to the side. You don't want that. So then after I do that, and I have that in, then I take my crimp and I go to this one from the farthest and I do the other crimp that goes the other way. These babies are not going anywhere. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty these earrings are. Just a nice, fun pair. And what's really nice is when you do beaded earrings like this, they're pretty light. So you don't have to worry about, you know, ripping your ears or anything, you know. So, yeah, so this is my earring tutorial, my second tutorial from the Potomac bead box. And I really love this month bead box. I haven't even used half of the other stuff. So hopefully I'll get another tutorial out of this. So let me know down in the comments what you think of these and if you're going to try making them yourself or not. And stay tuned and I will see you on my next video. I have my link below to all of my social media, my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And the link to Potomac Beads is below if you want to check out their boxes or their beads. And I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.